TK Solver tutorial, built-in functions. This tutorial introduces the use of TK Solver's built-in functions. TK Solver provides a variety of built-in functions. As you enter equations with known functions on the Rules tab, TK Solver provides you reminders about how to use them. For more assistance, TK Solver's help file provides a listing of built-in functions listed by category. You can find this help file in the TK Solver Ribbon's Help tab. Look for the table of contents and click on that button to launch it. Each section gives detailed descriptions. We can keep this help system open and continue working in TK Solver. It's like having a user's manual beside us. If you prefer to work with degrees instead of radians when working with angles, add the letter D to the end of any of TK Solver's trigonometric functions. In other systems, the unknown variable in an equation must be isolated. So if we were solving for theta, then we would need to use an equation such as this one. With TK Solver, we simply tell it what we know, how we know it. TK Solver reports the value for theta as 60. 120 and 420 would also be valid solutions. There are actually an infinite number of solutions possible, but TK Solver makes some assumptions when inverting functions. When taking a square root, TK Solver always reports a positive value. When inverting trigonometric functions, TK Solver always reports a value in the first quadrant. Here, we backsolve for x. The solution is reported as 0.5, as TK Solver returned the positive root by default. TK Solver features a family of functions for working with polar coordinates. ptord converts from polar to rectangular coordinates. On the first pass through the rules, the first equation has two unknowns. The third rule now computes the value of x directly, and the first rule simply confirms that it is consistent on the second pass. The third rule makes the first two equations unnecessary. That's what built-in functions are about, to save you time and effort. We use the equation from one of our other tutorials on tables and plots to describe another type of TK Solver function, numerical integration. TK Solver's integral function can find the area under a curve. The integrand is defined between the quote marks with the domain variable x indicated. The limits of integration, xmin and xmax, are also provided. There are lots of other available options documented in TK Solver's help system, but this simple rule will do for now. Suppose we need to know the value of a, which would make the area equal to 40. We input 40 for area, blank the field for a, and solve. No solution. The integral function is not directly invertible. Iteration is required. Many TK Solver functions are not directly invertible. For some functions like step, integer, and others, there is no unique inverse solution. For others, like Bessel and integral, iteration can be used to backsolve to get your solution. Thank you for learning about TK Solver. For more information about TK Solver and other UTS products, please visit us on the internet at www.uts.com. If you're interested in putting your TK Solver calculations out on the internet for people to see, please visit calcedge.com.